Musical instruments.
What is music? We can make music with our voices or with musical instruments.
धातेटे धातेटे धाधातेटे धागे तीना गिना फिर धातेटे धातेटे धाधातेटे तेटे धाधातेटे तक धेदरगिट तिक धा धेदरगिट 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 धा.
Music started a very long time ago. Today, people play music and listen to music all over the world. There are a lot of different musical instruments. Some instruments have got the same kind of sound. Some instruments look the same too. But instruments can also be very different. That's why we put instruments into different groups. So, what groups are there? And which instruments are in each group? String instruments are made of wood. You can play a string instrument with your fingers. Or you can play it with a bow. The violin is a string instrument. The cello is a string instrument too. What other string instruments can you think of? Brass instruments are made of metal. You can play brass instruments by blowing air into them. The air goes through the long metal tube. You can change the sound an instrument makes. You just press the valves. The tuba, the horn, and the trombone are brass instruments. I love the sounds they make. Woodwind instruments are made of wood or metal. You also blow air into these instruments to make sounds. A piece of wood moves inside the instrument when you blow air into it. You can move the keys at the top to change the sound. The flute, and the clarinet are woodwind instruments. Look at this man. He's got a clarinet made from a carrot. It sounds great, but isn't it strange? Percussion instruments make a sound when you hit them with a stick or shake them. Percussion instruments are different to other instruments. They don't play notes, but they give rhythm. Drums are the most famous percussion instrument. There are a lot of different types of drums. Other percussion instruments include triangles, tambourines, and cymbals. Percussion instruments can make a lot of beautiful sounds. An orchestra can play different instruments from different groups. They can play beautiful music.
Ready, go!
Do you play a musical instrument? Which group does it belong to? How do you play the instrument to make the sound? Do you play strings with your fingers or a bow? Do you blow air into it? Do you hit or shake it?